Hey, it's Will of WillsGarden.com. Just going to go over with you this pump I just got in the mail today. It's just like the one you've got in your camper, nice on-demand pump. The only real difference is it plugs into a regular old household outlet. It's on demand, so that means every time you pull the trigger on your wand, the pump kicks on. Kicks off as soon as it's done, no plugging and unplugging constantly. Great little pump. All you're going to do is take a female garden hose repair kit, hook it into your garden hose, bring it over here, take a hose clamp, clamp it on to the nipple here. This strainer is part of the pump assembly kit, which is really nice. That way it keeps all the crud out. Over here, you're just going to take a hose clamp, and at the other end here, you're going to take a female hose repair kit, and that's all you're going to do. This is going to let you water your garden real nice, or do your hanging plants. If you would like to order one, go ahead and click on the Amazon link down in the description. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Once again, it's Will of WillsGarden.com. Thanks. Have a good one.